mission is to learn, add value and have an enriching experience.
I'm very excited to join UPL, which has a 50 plus years of legacy in the industry.
I'm super excited to join NextGen Internship, and I'm expecting to get exposure to real-time situation and getting first-hand experiences.
I'm thrilled for this new beginning as UPL's NextGen intern, as it is an excellent opportunity to gain practical experiences and insights that will be building blocks for my career path.
As the start of my internship at UPL is approaching, I am very excited to have a closer look at the implementation of sustainability into business processes. What UPL does is uplift agricultural sector by bringing in sustainable technology to them, and this is what motivates.
I am looking forward to learning more about agri-input sector, like its distribution channel, opportunity and challenges this sector poses.
I look forward to gaining a practical experience and understanding how the industry works, implement the knowledge I have gained at college in the industry.
For me, Open Ag means to open the market space for new agricultural products and introducing new technology and welcoming a revolution across the globe in the field of agriculture.
It has no border and no limit. That is sustainable technical solution for all of various regions of the world.
Open Ag to me is connecting people and creating new opportunities.
For me, Open Ag is building Earth for the future.
Reimagining sustainability means adopting a new perspective on how we interact with the natural world and each other while moving beyond traditional norms of sustainability and create a long-term impact.
For me, reimagining the sustainability means imagining what sustainability means in agriculture and how it can affect the rest of the world.
Reimagining of sustainability, as its name suggests, adoption of sustainability mechanisms according to the modern and contemporary dynamics.
To bag a PPO in a company like UPL, I believe, for me, understanding of various business functions, understanding of concepts of supply chain and work ethics are the most important factors.
The three important skills to bag a PPO, I believe, is courage, hard work and honesty.
The three skills that will help me bag PPO will be technical skills, communication skills and leadership skills.
Three skills which I possess is I'm highly optimistic, I'm organized and I believe in smart work. I'm calm and composed, which helps me to understand people problems well, and I follow both qualitative and quantitative approach to deal with any corporate issue.